In this video, I'm going to show you how to push Kaggle Notebook to GitHub. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your notebook. So I'm just going to go to one of my existing ones, but of course you can create a new one if you want to as well. I'm going to go to this tutorial notebook over here. And as you can see, it's going to start and I'm in here right now. And the first thing you have to do is link to GitHub. So you want to go to File, top left, and over here, currently this one is linked already. I'm going to unlink it right now just to show you. So for the first time you're seeing this, it's going to say link to GitHub. Whenever you do this, you want to click on link to GitHub again, and it's going to prompt you to basically sign into your GitHub account. So I've done this already. I just have to click on authorize Kaggle, but in your case, you may have to put in your credentials. So maybe like username or email, and then the password to your GitHub account. Whenever you do this, you're going to have to authorize Kaggle like this, and then you'll be directed back over here, and it's going to say linked, which means that you only see the unlink from GitHub, and that's good. So that's the first thing you have to do. Then you want to go to the right hand side here, scroll down, and here there's a section now called GitHub. Inside here, you want to search by repository, okay? So I'm going to go to my repositories, and as you can see here, this is the one I have. So it's basically inside my account. It's private, but I want to push to this repository. So I'm going to paste this in here, and there we go. It actually found it inside my account. I can click on it, and then here I can select the branch. I'm just going to select the main branch, and then you have to enter the file name. Now, if you don't have any, you can also create a new file and give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one test, and then you can click on the save button. Whenever you do this, you'll be able to see here, you can click on the push button, and when you do so here, it's going to basically allow you to save the copy to GitHub. So review everything. You can also save the version if you want to, and then click on the push button, and that's going to push it directly to GitHub. As you can see, it says notebook successfully pushed to GitHub down here at the bottom left. Now, of course, whenever you want, you can then push it again, and it's going to tell you when the last push happened. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.